In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use subtract command in AutoCAD 3D. By the end, you'll know exactly how to remove material from one 3D object using another, which is perfect for creating holes, slots, and cutouts in solid models. Before we start, make sure you have two 3D objects that actually overlap, because the subtract command needs an intersecting volume to remove. Think of it like this. You have a main object that you want to keep and another object that will act like a cutter. In my example, I'm using a rectangular solid as the main object and a cylinder that passes through it. When we subtract the cylinder from the rectangle, we'll get a clean circular hole running through the rectangular solid. If you're following along, just confirm your shapes are true 3D solids and that the cylinder clearly intersects the rectangle. Now, let's do the command. In the command line, type subtract and press enter. AutoCAD will first ask you to select the objects to subtract from. This means you should click the main object you want to keep after the operation. In my case, that's the rectangular solid. Once it's selected, press spacebar or enter to finish that selection. Next, AutoCAD will prompt you to select the objects to subtract. This is where you choose the cutter, the object that will remove material. I'll click the cylinder. Again, press spacebar or enter, and you'll see the result immediately. The cylinder's volume is removed from the rectangle, leaving a precise circular hole. If you don't see a change, double-check that the objects overlapped and that both were 3D solids. Also, verify your view. Switching to a shaded or realistic visual style can make the cut more obvious. If you made a selection in the wrong order, don't worry. Use undo and try again, making sure you select the main object first and the subtracting object second. That's really all there is to it. The subtract command is straightforward once you remember the order. Choose what you want to keep, then choose what you want to remove. This simple workflow can be used for many design tasks, from creating bolt holes to complex cavities. Save your file after you're happy with the result, and repeat the process anywhere you need a clean cutout. Thanks for watching, and practice this on a few shapes to build confidence with 3D editing in AutoCAD.